Tula Tzoras and I'm the founder of Areti Goddess Events. I work for myself, which means I can work at my own pace, in my own space, in my own time, anywhere I like. And I launched this company age 52. If you've ever wanted to start your own business, this may be the right time for you. We help women put their passion into practice, launching their own business with the Areti Goddess Online Program. It's a multimedia online course you can do on any device in weeks, broken up into short videos that you can watch whenever you want, and it's taught by me. I will walk you through each step from inspiration to launch. And if you're not inspired, we have a module so that you can access your inspiration and passion within this course as well. I will support you along the way so that you're not overwhelmed by all the information that's out there at the moment. Bite-sized steps to avoid any stress. We know stress is a killer. And I've put everything that I wish I knew when I first started out into this online course, so that it empowers you. It applies to any inspiration or idea you may have, and everything goes in this new era, Goddess, because we're all going online. It has all the exercises to free you, as well as tips you can practice, guest expert advice, downloads. It really over-delivers, giving you practical as well as emotional support, so that you can share your unique gift with the world. There's no greater gift than doing what you love, Goddess. One of the biggest barriers I have found is confidence. Can I do this? And I can honestly tell you that from my own experience. The Areti Goddess Online Program will also give you a boost in your confidence, all your relationships, and your health, because it's so important. And to start you off, a free video for a quick confidence boost for you. So come and join me and all the amazing women on the same path to rise as female leaders, especially this year, destined for the female rise.